Get yourself some Rock Auto mirror replacements. This is the 1997 TJ. They go on pretty easy, but you'll notice this guy is a little wonky. So what you'll do is under here, you have 3 screws. You tighten these 3 screws right there. And that'll tighten the swivel up inside the body, and that won't move. You have another little Torx spot back there. And that one is to tighten a bottom ball, I guess. But don't go reefing on that guy. Those come nice and tight. It's just this guy that's really loose. You'll notice you'll be driving and it'll bounce all over the place. So yeah, that's all. You tighten that, get it to where you want it, and then just tighten those 3 and you'll be good. Cheers.